In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a motivational fitness poster in Photoshop. We will divide the tutorial into two parts. Firstly, we'll teach you how to create a background for your visual, and then we'll work on the visual. Open your Photoshop file and create a new layer by taking a copy of your background layer. You can click on Ctrl-J or go to the Create New Layer icon in the Layers tab. Choose the Brush tool from the toolbar and choose the grunge brush in its maximum size. When you choose a respective tool, an option bar appears right below the menu bar, which consists of options for the tool you chose. In that bar, you'll see an icon named Toggle the Brush panel right after the brush tool. Click on it to change the settings for your brush. A small window will appear where you'll find different options. Here on the center right, change the angle of the brush into 90 degrees. Keep the spacing at 25%. Give a single stroke on the top in a way that it covers the top block of your background. Now click on Flip X under the brush size option and repeat the stroke for bottom. Choosing the color for the grunge texture totally depends on you according to your design, but here we'll choose 15% gray from the swatches menu. You'll see your whole background covered with a light gray colored grunge texture. Now we'll click on the same brush options icon and click on Flip Y under the brush size option. Now you'll again go back to the brush tool and choose a different brush, i.e. the sun rising brush, here in maximum size. Give its pattern on the top left corner of your canvas in the same 15% gray color and 100% opacity. Now minimize the opacity into 70% and brush size into 1500 and give a stroke in the right bottom corner of your canvas. You can easily download these brush presets online and load them into the brush tool options. We did all this to give a little texture and stylization to our background. Now that your background is ready, we'll move on to the copy of your poster. Create a new layer and select the rectangular tool from the toolbar. Make a shape and select Pure Pea Green color from the swatches menu with 70% opacity. Take its copy and give it Pure Cyan color in 70% opacity. Take another copy of this linear rectangular shape, and this time the color will be Pure Violet, again in 70% opacity. You can set the alignment of these three shapes by seeing on the background grids or by clicking on the horizontal Align Center, which is in the options bar for alignment. Now choose the horizontal type tool and write Health in font Impact, size 60 and color white. Write For and Life in the same manner and format. Put Health on the green shape, For in violet, and Life on blue towards the right side of these shapes. Our background and copy is ready. Now we'll start working on the visual. Here we'll manipulate two images for our visual. We'll use an image of an athletic body and place another face on. Take a new layer for this and place the image of the athletic body. Rasterize this layer and select the Magic Wand tool. Add the selection, then hit the Delete button to erase the background. Deselect the selection by clicking on Ctrl-D. Bring this athletic body image towards the left corner of your canvas. Now open the other image, the face image that you're going to use. Once you've opened it, crop the face only by using the Crop tool in the toolbar. Now choose the Magic Wand tool again and select the background to delete it. To select in detail, choose the Subtract to selection in the options bar. After selection of background, right-click and select Inverse to get your image on a new layer automatically. To copy this image, first we have to select this image by using Control-right-click. Go to Edit in the menu bar and click on Copy in the drop-down menu. Open the original window and go to Edit and click Paste. Now that you've pasted this face on the body, transform this layer by clicking on Ctrl-T and change the size of the face according to the body. You can do it by pressing Shift-Alt. Keep the opacity of this face layer lighter so that you can see the background layer of the body, and they both fit to each other's size. Once you've done that, you can use the eraser tool to remove the clothes and rough edges. Keep the eraser size small, like here, we'll keep it 78, and its hardness also less, like 49. Once you've removed the extra edges and clothes pieces off from the face in a way that it looks like it's one single person's face and body, you can lessen the opacity again to see if both are placed perfectly onto each other or not. Now go to the Image button in the menu bar and click on Adjustments button in its drop-down menu. You'll see several options, but you're to click on Desaturate here or simply click Shift-Control-U. Now click on Ctrl-L to adjust the levels of the face to match with the body color. Levels can be found in the Adjustment tab also. Now that the image is set, you'll add a tagline for your poster. Select the rectangular tool and make a linear rectangular box right below the other three shapes in 75% gray color. Choose the horizontal type tool and write your tagline, i.e., be the best version of yourself, in Century Gothic font and size 33 point. Now to set the skin tone, we will use Dodge tool and Patch tool. Select the Burn tool and dark those areas of neck to make a one skin tone. Same like burn tool, apply dodge tool to match the skin tone. And that's it.